What you doing, Ben?
I think on there.
What are you putting on there?
What's?
Reds?
Yep.
Yes. What?
Okay, hold it.
Decorations?
Yes.
Making a train?
Okay, where does it go?
It goes right there.
Yep, just like the picture.
Ta-da!
Ta-da!
Good job, bud.
One more.
You want to put more decorations on?
No. And there's lights. Oh, wait.
Okay, look, 2 more go right here. So they go right here.
Oh. Okay, two.
Here, hold this one. Okay, put it on.
Oh, what's on it?
Right here. Perfect.
One more.
Here's another one. Here.
Thank you.
Oh, okay, right here. Just like the picture.
Okay, what do you want to do next?
Those ones.
Okay.
This is my picture.
You can put them wherever you want.
And more. We gotta do more reds.
Ooh, cool wheels.
I did more whites.
Yep, here you go.
Thank you. Oh,
Is this a Christmas train, Ben?
like that there?
Yeah.
Put it up there.
Who comes at Christmas time?
Santa comes.
And what does Santa say?
Oh,
What does Santa bring you?
a present.
A present.
Yeah.